July the 27th, and it's still gray at the west coast of Norway. Yeah, it's like the clouds are all the way down to the ground, so it hits us and gets everything wet all the time. Now you see the clouds and the rain up there? Yeah, that's the rain. Very local rain. Yeah, very local. The clouds are hanging so low. No wonder it's so wet all the time. It doesn't even rain continually, but feels like it though, because it's so wet in the air. Ah, wonderful. Oh, here they come. Yeah, hello, Mr. Crow. I have special good food for you. Oh la la. Mama brought her seagull baby, guys. Oh yeah, so wonderful. Ah yeah, you waiting for the good stuff? Ah, here you go. Oh, the baby seagull. Yeah, and again, guys. Oh, he tries. Ah, yeah, my crows. They don't need to say anything. Hello there. Yeah. No, it's the pigeons. Yeah. What do you say, guys? Over there, huh? Huh? And again. Yeah, yeah. Funny ones. Okay. Yeah, hello there. Yeah, you brought your baby and everything. Yeah, that's nice. So nice. Mr. Crow. Hello. PG. Hello, hello. How did you know that we was here? Yeah. Oh, darling. Yeah. Here you go. Ah, yeah. And my crows. Yeah, PG. So nice to see you. Yeah. Here. Yeah, you are my favorite bird, you know. Yeah, you are. Can't help it. Yeah. Hello, hello. Yeah. Yeah, you are so funny. Oh, good for you. Yeah, the pigeons, huh? Yeah, they are first. Oh, some of you. Hello there, yeah. Yeah, Piggy? Yeah? Do it like this, you know? Yeah. Hello there, Mr. J. He's jealous on you. Yeah, like this, huh? Yeah, PG, hello. Oh, so close. Yeah, you try to do same as my pigeon, maybe? Hmm? Yeah, they are very close, you know. Here, taste that one. Oh. Hello, crow. There's nothing in there. No. Yeah, you don't allow anyone else but you, huh? Uh-huh. Who's coming over here, I wonder? Yeah, it's probably Daddy Swan. Yeah, it's probably him, guys. Yeah. And what shall we do with that, huh? Save some food for him? No, Mr. Crow, don't eat the plastic, please. Let me take it from you. Yeah, hello, kiddos. The young ones, the babies, they are learning quickly. Yeah. Hello here. Yeah, PG. Hello, Mama. Is it you? No, it's Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Yeah. Are you visiting the noisy pack over here? Yeah, we thought we should keep some distance from you guys, but whatever. If you like to come here, yeah. Go. Yeah.